Hello friends, as in our previous video we have discussed about the what is the linked list and the application of the linked list and the different types of the linked list. So in this video we are going to discuss about the single linked list. So a single linked list is a linked list which allocates space for each element separately in its own block of memory that is called as node. And the list get an overall structure by using pointer to connect all these nodes together, link the links in a chain. So each node contains two fields, a data field and to store whatever element, and a next field which is a pointer used to store the link of the next node. Each node is allocated in a heap using malloc function, so the node memory contains to exist until it is explicit deallocated using free function. The font of the list is a pointer. The front of the list is a pointer to the start node. A single linked list is will be as look like as this, in which we have a start pointer which control which is like a head of the link list, single linked list, which have the address of the first node, contains the address of the first node, and pointing, and the start node is pointing towards the first node, and the first node contains the two blocks of, or field, we can say field, and those field are, one of them is data field and another one is next field. The data field contains the stores the data or the information, and the second one, next field, contains the address of the next node to link the previous node with the succeeding node. And the last node of the single linked list, in this last node of the single linked list, the next field will be will contain the null pointer, which means the last field is not pointing toward any of the node, so we are putting there a null in that pointer. The beginning of the linked list is stored in a start pointer which points to the first node. The first node contains a pointer to the second node, and the second node contains a pointer to the third node, and so on. The last node in the list has its next field set to null to mark the end of the list. Code can access any node in a linked list by starting a start node and following the next node pointer. The start pointer is an ordinary local pointer variable, so it is drawn separately on the left top to show that it is in the stack. The list node are drawn on the right to show that they are allocated in the heap. So let us implement the linked list. Before writing a code to build above list, we need to create a start node. Use use to create and access the other node in the linked list. We use the following structure definition with will do. The structure does creating a structure with a data type and data item and a next pointer which will be pointing to the next node of the list. This is called the self reference structure. and we initialize the start pointer with null. As you can see that we have just created a structure name as linked list. In that we have one of the field is as a data which have a which is of int type, and other is of structure as link, means it is self-referencing pointer. We are creating a self-referencing pointer of the no that same structure. And after that we have changed the name of the structure from s linked list to node. And node, we have created another pointer of the self, which is self reflecting structure, and putting that initializing that start pointer with the null, which look like this. As a node, we have created a node, initialize the structure of the node, which look like this. It will contain a data or the next field, and the list, empty list. Initially when when we are creating a structure, it will be just like a empty empty list, in which the start will contain with a null, initialized with a null. And the sum of the operations, basic operation which can be performed in the singly linked list are: one of them is creating a node, creating a singly linked list. Second was insertion of data, deletion of data, or traversing or displaying the linked list. So in the next video we are going to learn about the how to create a linked list and inserting a linked list.